Alright, so we are back for another Z-Bolt unboxing, and today we're going to be checking out an RGB light. This is the Ulanzi VL120 RGB LED video light. So I actually need this for my B-rolls and my YouTube channels. So I actually have the smaller one, V60 I think. And it served me well actually, so I really love that. So I use it almost every day for all my thumbnails. But I actually have that now in my other studio, my office. So I needed some light there, so I put it there, and I thought of getting a bigger one, which is this, the VL120. And these are still nicely priced around 1,000 pesos or $20. And much like the VL60, this is also RGB, but now in a bigger version, which is definitely something that I need. So VL120 RGB LED video light, Ulanzi as well. And here you are getting 2500K to 9000K as well, RGB control, and you're getting a actually pretty sizable battery here, 3100 milliamperes of battery. It's gonna be our unboxing experience, opening it up. So you're getting some manuals here, putting that aside. You're getting this. Actually, this is quite cool. And remember, this by itself is already $5. So I do have this for my action camera. I bought it for 250 pesos, $5. So having this in a 1,000 peso device is definitely really nice. And you're getting USB-C, which is definitely nice. The other one, the smaller Ulanzi, is also USB-C. And actually you seem to be getting a diffuser as well. So the other one, my Ulanzi, doesn't have a diffuser, so this is definitely nice. So I do think if you buy maybe two of the previous one, it will still have a bigger width. But yeah, definitely this is bigger compared to before. And let's take out the diffuser here, and let's see how this looks like. Oh, actually this is quite a thin device here, definitely thinner compared to the previous one. Again, yeah, this is not times 2 compared to before, so that is correct. But I do like that this is thinner. So actually this might be even more handy compared to the VL60, so that's definitely nice. You are getting a bigger surface here, and actually I do like that as you guys can see, there's some space in the diffuser, so it will give you a bit more diffused light there, so that's definitely nice. And yeah, looking at the operation, you're getting USB-C at the top. You are getting that 1/4 inch adapter there at the bottom, and you're getting some adjuster here as well. So we're gonna try to figure that out. What are these? And you're getting that on and off switch. And you seem to be getting the similar maybe OLED that you were getting before with the other Ulanzi. So you know, this price range, having this definitely really surprising. So even the 600 peso one has this, so really good quality stuff. Let's try to open it, the Ulanzi, and you're seeing that pulsing. Oh, you seem to be getting some effects even. Wow. The other Ulanzi, the cheaper Ulanzi, doesn't have that. Okay, clicking it. This is the white. This is very bright here. Brighter even compared to before, for sure. Let's try to. Oh, this is the RGB version, and then this might be the shift of. This is the brightness level, all right, and this might be the color here on top. Oh, this is just a menu kind of thing, this button, so you can shift to the top. Oh, this is yeah, the color wheel, and actually this is a bit different in terms of the operation. As you guys can see, when you press that, it comes back. So this allows you to move slowly with the colors, and that can be good. So if you're shooting and you press this, and you accidentally maybe rolled it, it won't roll all the way, so that might be good. So this is 150, 140. So, and yeah, you can also hold it like that if you want to do it faster. And yeah, full range of motion here for the hue and saturation, and you're getting that green. And yeah, looking at the color wheel, let's see the LEDs. So these are the LEDs that opens. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's that space there. So this not maybe the cleanest looking LED light that you can check. But actually the key kicker here is you're getting this diffuser, and this might just be the answer to that problem, because having this will spread the light for you and a bit more uniform as well. As you guys can see, it's not that harsh to look at as well. So let's try to go on full blast here. Yeah, definitely that's quite bright. Definitely, yeah, a bit more diffused, but as you guys can see, it has more soft edges now compared to the previous one. A bit more diffused. They're really cool. So definitely it's really surprising, you know, seeing this for this price range. So if you see this area, guys, this is a bit more smooth when diffused, but let's check out if non-diffused. So if you look at that, this is a bit more maybe edgy. So definitely the diffuse is something that you want for you know, some b-rolls maybe. It will be better. So actually the light that I'm using is an aperture diffused light, so very nice light. So diffuse is what you want. But yeah, definitely really cool here. Let's try out the other options here. So options, pulsing. So I'm not 100% sure where you're gonna use this, but this can be maybe nice for some background kind of thing. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want something moving in the background, maybe there's some other, there you go, there's some other effects here, and this is the fault bulb. So maybe for an emergency kind of thing, party. All right. Oh, that's really cool. So if you have a party at home, you can use this as a disco light. That's really cool here. I like that. Fault bulb. Oh, okay. Party candle. All right. So you're getting that warm kind of thing going on. TV, all white. So maybe, yeah, this is a fast kind of thing. Oh, it brightens up and it lowers down. Oh, okay, a TV light. So this might be good for if you're gonna shoot maybe some cinematic stuff, and you want a TV effect, like a watching TV. So this might be a practical light kind of thing for you. So that's nice. So this is not available in the previous one, so that's definitely nice. TV, fireworks. Okay, so something like the party kind of thing, but this is a bit faster. Again, for some practical lighting, you would want several of these. Lightning. Okay, that's cool. Practical light. So yeah, this is something that you can maybe put outside the window maybe, and shoot and have that lighting effect. Fire engine, really cool. Ambulance. There's a lot of effects here. It's pretty cool that you have them. So let's try to go for a warmer light here. So this is 9000K, and then let's go for a warmer light. Yeah, very responsive here. As you guys can see, we have a warmer light now. But yeah, for me personally, I'd probably go with an RGB. But here you're seeing maybe a very harsh light there inside. So this is where I need this diffuser. So this would definitely be better as a light compared to the previous one, because this will, as you guys can see, you don't have that harsh light anymore. So this is definitely a lot better looking. So that's definitely nice. All right, so that's my unboxing or walkthrough of this Ulanzi VL120. Very nice here. I mean, I'm happy with the previous Ulanzi, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this. So I did it. I'm not surprised that I like it, because yeah, for before $10-12 gets you RGB, gets you a really portable light, rechargeable as well, and it lasts a long time. So I'm not surprised that I like this, and this is the bigger version as well. So for 1,000 pesos, $20, very much worth it. So if you don't want to spend more for the aperture, this is very nice. Maybe I don't know. I don't think you need an aperture if you have this, because I have used this a lot for a lot of usages, and I didn't really think much about the aperture. And you're getting some additional effects as well, so this might be even better compared to some aperture. So yeah, this is all the light that you need if you're gonna need something as big as this. And still you can put this on top of your camera as well for some video. So very nice here for $20 for 1,000 pesos. A lot of value for the money. The best budget light that you can buy for me, and yeah, definitely recommended. So that is the Ulanzi VL120 here. Very happy with my purchase. So this is something that I bought myself because I do love Ulanzi. So it's just natural for me to unbox it. Of course, if you learned something, I'm gonna leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Of course, if you want to get one, use my links down in the description below. That will help out the channel a lot. I might do a full written review of this as well in my website. I'm gonna link it down below if you want more information. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next Zippold unboxing. Goodbye.